I just wanted to show you how to assemble the large sign holder. You're going to take the smaller circle, glue it in the center of the larger circle, and then the smaller circle glues onto the top of the post here. Then you're going to add these two pieces, one's smaller than the other, and those are going to glue down at the top. This just gives the holder some character. Next, you're going to glue the two bases together. The smaller one glues on top of the larger one. Try to get it as even as you can. Then I'm going to add glue into the slots here. I'm just using a paintbrush. Do not use a good paintbrush. Then you have this smaller piece that you're going to add glue to. It's going to be wobbly until the glue dries. Then you're going to add the back support piece, and that small little piece at the top holds everything together. Then this last piece we have just adds more character to the post. So here we go, and then you can hang your sign right from it.